Hello everyone, my name is Savio and welcome to a new session with Fun with Excel. This session is brought to you by Happiness Bharat. In today's session, we'll be discussing the simple basics of Excel. So let's go and see what we have in store for today. Today we'll be discussing the how to use the sort function, how to use the filter function, applying borders to all cells, making headers bold, giving a background cell color to headers, and center aligning the headers. So let us take a new cell over here, a sheet over here. And what is the sort function if you ask me? A sort function is where you have to sort a particular date. For example, in your sheet, you'll have a number of rows and columns which has the name of people, the amount, the number assigned to that particular name, the company name, or the date. So there are times when you have to sort it as per the name, like you want it alphabetically. You want all the A's and all the names starting with A and then followed by B, or the numbers, or and so on and so forth. Or you want the amounts uh, to be highlighted from smallest to the biggest, or the biggest to the smallest. So the sort function helps comes into picture in this place. So what you have to do in order to use the sort function is very simple. You just highlight the entire table from the top to the bottom, and you go to the sort and filter option and go to custom sort. So in this custom sort, we will choose here sort by the company name. So let's say we want to put all the company names from in the alphabetical order. So you go down here, choose company name, choose it at the value and from A to Z, and you press OK. So now you see what has happened over here. All the names starting with A, and then but obviously there's no B over here, so then C, then D, then E, then F, and then G. So you can do this for any of the rows and columns. So let's take the amount. If you have to do it, same thing, highlight the entire cell, go to custom sort, and instead of company name we put amount, smallest to the largest. So the smallest amount on top, the largest amount right down, and you press OK. So now you see the amounts have changed, they have gone, and they have changed as per the uh, smallest on top to the largest below. What you have to remember in this particular sort option, that you have to make sure that you select the entire sheet, because if you select only one row or one column, that only that numbers will change and everything else will remain the same. So what happens when your numbers get jumbled up and it will be against a different name or number? So make sure that you always highlight the entire sheet. Going to the next option, that the filter function. How do you apply filters? Filters is, again, what are filters? So now if you say you want to choose only a particular uh, number assigned to this particular person, so MC21, MC13, EC00, so you'll have to either go do it manually. So what the sort function does, it helps you to choose all the numbers selected for that particular assignment. So all you have to do is highlight the top row and go here again, sort and filters, and click on filter. So you can see these small tabs which are opened up over here. All you have to do is click on those tabs, and for example, if you want to choose MC04, so you click on MC04 and say OK. So these are the details for MC04. So if you have to go to the next one, if you have to see EC00, you click on that, and then you get these are for EC00. So you want multiple, you can choose multiple also. So you get the multiple ones. So this is what the sorts function helps. Very useful uh, uh, tip for Excel. It's one of the most used um, functions of Excel. Going ahead, applying borders. So how do we apply borders? So you can see these lines which we have put across here. Here there are no lines. So these are the borders and which we have applied. So how do you do this? So for example, you want to apply a border to only the upper uh, row. So we first remove the borders, no borders. So this is how it will look without borders. So then we want to put a border only for the top row. We go here again. You can apply a thick border, thin border, a fat border, whichever way you want it. So we'll put a thick outside border. So this is how it is. And if you want to put a border for the entire thing, use all borders. So this is how it will look like. Again, highlight the entire set where you want to apply the borders, and that's how it will look. Bold functions, again the same thing. All you have to do is, again, we know what the bold function is. Control B is bold. So it's almost the same thing. All you have to do is either you highlight what you want to bold and do Control B, or you go here in this option, bold, italic, underline, whichever function you want to use, you can use it over here. Very simple. No, nothing great about this. Applying colors. Now colors is again helps you identify different types of uh, details in your Excel sheet. So you want to highlight it. Again, you have to just choose the color that you want to assign to a particular number or a name and apply the color. It's again in the home button and just over your fill colors. This option is to fill color to the entire cell. This option is to fill color only to the details. So the name, the number. So simple, nothing great about it. And coming to the last option for today, alignment. So if you see these options over here, these are your alignment options. So for example, right now, all the names are in the center. So you want to put the names at the side, left align. So you left align them. All the names come on the left. If you want to right align them, you click right, and they all come on the right. If you want to center align them, all come in the center. Very simple, nothing, no rocket science to it. I hope you'll like this session, and I hope you'll continue coming back to these videos. Thank you and have a nice day.